This video will watch the best ratings for LED fairy lights over 26,550 customer reviews. Ariceleo LED fairy lights battery operated. 1-pack mini battery powered copper wire Starry fairy lights for bedroom, Christmas, parties, wedding, centerpiece, decoration. Super bright 50 LED string lights. These best 50 LEDs micro LED battery operated string lights lamp are perfect for lighting addition to any decorative project. Delicate copper wire hosts 50 very small LED bulbs that are about the size of the rice grain and are intensely bright. With a steady 360-degree viewing angle, they illuminate in every direction. Indoor Starry lights. 50 super bright LEDs lights on 16 feet long copper ultra-thin wire with 4 inches distance between LED bulbs and 12 inches clear cable between wire and battery box. Ariceleo LED fairy light string itself is waterproof. Even on rainy days, it can be perfectly suitable for outdoor areas, such as terraces, balconies, gardens, dining areas, etc. But please note that the battery box is not waterproof. Easy to shape and mold. Newest clear and small battery box that is easy to hide requires 3 AA batteries. Ariceleo LED fairy lights soft, high-quality copper wires. They are very durable and flexible. LED fairy lights can bend them into any shape you want and are strong enough to maintain the shape you want. You can use them to wrap around plants, signs, furniture, and almost everything. Energy efficient, no heat problems. The ultra-slim thin copper wire, bendable but sturdy wire with LED lights, is waterproof. Ariceleo LED fairy lights latest technology, which can extend the working time of our products. The energy used by these light strings is only a small part of ordinary incandescent lamps, and they will not heat or get hot during use. You can touch them at any time. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching my video.